Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we are checking out the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We are here in Agra at the Taj Mahal to get a first impressions of the device and also to check out some of the camera features and the capabilities of this device. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, because we have some amazing shots for you and some amazing samples from the camera as well. We're going to give you all the features of the phone and take you through all its capabilities. Let's quickly get started. Now, the iPhone 12 Pro Max starts in India at a price of 1,29,900 rupees for the 128GB variant. This is considerably higher than what you get the phone for overseas, and also a massive 20,000 rupees higher than what the iPhone 11 Pro Max started at. Despite that, a lot of people have already pre-ordered the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the gold along with the Pacific blue color seem to be the most popular one, and they are now delayed with respect to shipping for up to a month. The 12 Pro Max definitely stands out this year with several features that are not available on the other devices. For starters, you get a 6.7-inch display, which is slightly bigger than last year. This is also a Super Retina XDR display, giving you 2778 by 1284 pixels at 458 pixels per inch. This display is capable of HDR and has a max brightness of 800 nits along with a 1200 nits of peak brightness while viewing HDR. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also has the ceramic shield glass that makes the front of the display up to 4 times tougher than regular old iPhone glass. So this is definitely an improvement with respect to build quality. Also, the 12 Pro series, including the Max, have stainless steel as the base structure. So the frame of the phone is made out of steel as opposed to aluminum that you see on the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. Just like the other devices, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is also IP68 rated and can be underwater for up to 30 minutes at up to 6 meters in depth. One of the biggest upgrades this year for the iPhone 12 series has been the A14 Bionic chip. Now, with respect to performance, this chip does deliver. The Pro variants also get more RAM. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max does get the additional RAM, which is 6GB of RAM as opposed to 4GB that you see on the other devices. The 12 Pro Max has 3 cameras. All of them are 12 megapixel cameras, but there are quite a lot of differences. So the main camera now has something called like sensor shift image stabilization, and it works really well. Mixed with the 1.6 f-stop of the main sensor, you get really smooth video. Some of the samples that we took look like we were shooting them on a gimbal even though they were handheld. The other 2 cameras are also 12 megapixel and ultra wide, which has been something that we've seen on the other iPhones as well. And there's also a 2.5x telephoto camera, which gives you about 65 mm of focal distance. All of these combined are a really good mix. You also get HDR video, so you can capture cine video up to 4K 60 FPS on all cameras, including the front camera. And the difference between photographs and video shot on HDR and without HDR was quite visible today to us. We'll show you some of the samples on the screen, but we'll be testing this camera in depth, and we think that this is one of the best cameras that I've tested on a smartphone this year. Another big feature of the 12 Pro series is the LiDAR scanner. Now, this not only improves focusing capabilities in low light environments, but also maps out focus during video as well as during photo captures, making your images turn out to be super sharp, and autofocusing during video become quick and precise. But the LiDAR scanner also has a lot of other AR functionalities, which we will talk about in our full review as well. But this is one of the most powerful equipments that you can get on a smartphone, especially next to the cameras. So that is definitely something that makes these devices stand out. The 12 Pro Max has one of the largest batteries with 3687 milliamps, and it does support fast charging at 20 watts, delivering about 50% of battery in just 30 minutes. And you also get fast wireless charging at up to 15 watts with the Apple MagSafe charger or any other wireless charger that does support fast charging. The 12 Pro Max is definitely targeted at a certain individual. It is a large phone with a 6.7-inch display, and it is rather hefty at 226 grams of weight, but it's still slim with 7.4 mm with respect to thickness, and it's still very easy to use with just one hand. It does have some impressive camera capabilities along with video capture capabilities, and the sensor shift image stabilization in our initial impressions looks really good. We'll be testing out this phone in depth in our later videos. If you guys have any particular questions, you can drop those in the comment section below. So that's it from this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This was one of the biggest testaments of love in the olden days, and some of the pictures that we've taken today are our love for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we'll have a review out for you guys soon. Take care and have a great one.